A city wants to resist foreign invasion. The best method is to build a tall city wall. Our soldiers can stand on the wall. They can shoot at enemies from a wide range. However, this method has a problem. Once enemies reach the wall's base, soldiers above cannot target them due to angles. Enemies hide in this blind spot. They frantically dig at the wall's foundation. If not stopped effectively, they'll dig through and enter the city eventually. To solve this problem, you build a huge platform on the wall's front. Soldiers can stand around the platform. They attack enemies from the side. This eliminates all defensive blind spots on the wall. This design is called Horseface. It's essential for high-level city walls. It's called this because from the side, it looks like a horse. That's how it got this powerful name. But this structure's usable area is too small. If enemy numbers are too large, our firepower becomes insufficient. So you build a tower with shooting holes on top of the horseface. Soldiers can position themselves in layers. This adds more firepower points in limited space. This is called an enemy tower. With these clever defensive measures, the city wall is now extremely solid. But the gate position becomes the weakest point in overall defense. You build a watchtower and an outer wall in front of the city wall. Together, they form a narrow, multi-layered defensive structure. This structure is like a maze. It limits the number of attacking enemies. It also restricts enemy siege equipment. Breaking through 2 city gates by manpower alone becomes nearly impossible. But this still can't satisfy your defensive needs. You build more walls outside the outer wall again. This increases overall defensive depth. Finally, you dig a moat around the entire city. It's 10 meters wide and 5 meters deep. You equip it with a drawbridge for carriages only. Before war begins, you can raise the drawbridge early. Enemy siege equipment can only helplessly fall into the ditch. Of course, enemies can use catapults to launch projectiles into the city. But our soldiers can also prepare red cannons. These cannons can't cause wide-range damage, but hitting fixed targets like catapults is more than enough. Don't fantasize about bypassing either. You'll be attacked from both sides. Your supply lines will be instantly cut off by the city's garrison. When all possible loopholes are blocked, congratulations! You've successfully built a city with super explosive defensive power. Datong Ancient City.